How to fix Whirlpool Oven F1E6 error code is a straightforward process that requires some understanding of the oven's mechanics and electronics. The F1E6 error code indicates a problem with the oven's control board or keypad, and it can be caused by a variety of factors, including a faulty keypad, a malfunctioning control board, or a software issue. To begin, unplug the oven from the power source to prevent any accidental startups or electrical shocks. Next, check the keypad for any signs of physical damage or wear and tear, such as cracked or broken keys, and clean the keypad thoroughly to ensure that there are no blockages or debris that could be causing the error. If the keypad appears to be in good condition, the next step is to check the control board for any signs of damage or malfunction. The control board is usually located behind the keypad or on the back of the oven, and it can be accessed by removing the screws that hold the panel in place. Once the control board is accessed, check for any signs of physical damage, such as burn marks, broken components, or loose connections. If any damage is found, it may be necessary to replace the control board or have it repaired by a professional. If the control board appears to be in good condition, the next step is to check the oven's software for any issues. This can be done by checking the oven's user manual or manufacturer's website for any software updates or troubleshooting guides. In some cases, the F1E6 error code can be caused by a simple software glitch, and resetting the oven's software can resolve the issue. To do this, unplug the oven from the power source, press and hold the cancel button, and plug the oven back in while still holding the cancel button. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the control board or keypad, or to have the oven repaired by a professional. It is also recommended to consult the oven's user manual or manufacturer's website for any specific troubleshooting guides or repair instructions. In conclusion, fixing the Whirlpool Oven F1E6 error code requires a systematic approach that involves checking the keypad, control board, and software for any issues. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, it is possible to resolve the issue and get the oven working properly again. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help to prevent future issues and ensure that the oven continues to function safely and efficiently.